Hey everyone, this is Sana or Shansta. Welcome back to my YouTube series about iOS app development. This video is a continuation of my previous two videos about using the AVAudioPlayer in your iOS app. Today we will be using multiple audio files for playback options like the next or the previous button in our music app. Let's get into it. So firstly, I wanted to point out that I have made a few changes in the code. For example, I have put these two buttons, added a couple of constraints, and connected them to our code. And I've also made this empty function, which I haven't included yet. Let me just add that. Func play song. Alright. And other than that, I've removed the audio playing code over here. We'll be putting that in play song instead. Just have a look at it, and then we'll move on. Alright. So first of all, we need to bring our audio files into the app. So I have my files open over here. Drag that in and make sure that Add to Targets is selected. Finish. Now we'll be making an array containing all the names of our songs. So var song list. I'll also create a var I equals to 1, which will contain the current index of the song being played, and also a var music path to contain the path of the file being played. So next, let's work with the play song. What do we want to do when a song has been selected? We want to load it into the audio player and try to play it. Find the file and try to play it. So let's do that. This is pretty much the same from what we did in the previous video, so I won't be including a lot of explanation here. Alright, so now we have to set the resource. Our resource is going to be the song that is at the current index of song list. So we do song list I. Oh, alright, spelling was wrong. Now with these two functions. For previous song, we have to reduce the counter I by 1 until 0 is reached. Once 0 is reached, then we kind of put the music in a loop. So we go back to the last song. So if I equals to 0, then I equals to song list dot capacity minus 1. That's the last index of our song list. Otherwise, just do I minus 1. For next song, we're going to take it up by 1, so I plus 1, until the last song is reached, at which point we'll bring it back to the first song. Now in both previous song and next song, we need to play the song after this index has been set. So let's just do play song called in both of them. Now remember that the song is actually going to play, like the audio file is actually going to play only if this play button is selected in our segmented control. So let's put up that condition in our play song function as well. Let's also make this function stop playing the audio file before the song is changed. So now let's run this and see. So it seems that the song doesn't play until we have pressed the next button or the previous button. So let's fix that now. By default, our first song is going to be at I equals to 0, that's song 1, and that's going to play when we select play song. Let's run that again. So our loop is working. It goes back to the first song after the last song has been played. Let's also try out the previous option. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.